Hi Charmers, Jonny here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this beautiful glam look using all of the products that I got in my August box. If you wanna see how I did it, keep on watching. Okay Charmers, I'm ready to start. And first off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this beautiful Glow Ahead Face Oil from Wonder Beauty. This is a lightweight illuminating oil that instantly helps illuminate the skin, and over time, it helps brighten the appearance of your skin. So I'm gonna dab a little bit in the back of my hand and just slightly apply it all over my face. One of the things that I love about this glow oil is that this helps a lot reduce the redness and the hyperpigmentation of my skin. So I like to apply it all over my face before I apply any kind of makeup. I'm gonna take a little bit more for the bottom part of my face, cause sis, I need to be hydrated and looking cute. And as you can see, after I apply this a little bit, this illuminating oil not only illuminates and hydrates my skin, but also helps me reduce the appearance of my pores. And that's really good for before I apply my foundation because it helps me have a better application later on when I'm doing my makeup. And it feels amazing, honestly. And for the people who are a little bit scared about the word oil in this kind of product, I'm gonna tell you, it doesn't really feel like oils and different oils that I've used as skincare. This feels more like a priming essence. As you can see, it's drying out really good. And it not only adhered really good to my skin, but also it kept the luminosity that it gave to my skin. So I'm honestly loving this product. Let's keep going. Okay Charmers, now that I finished my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and set it. So for setting, I'm gonna be using the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder from Vega Cosmetics. This powder is weightless, so it helps a lot setting and refreshing the makeup throughout the day. I like to apply it first with my beauty sponge that is a little bit damp. I take a little bit of it and I just dab it under my eye to set the under eye and the concealer area. This side looks more refreshed and brightening, and that's what we're looking for with a good powder. And it also, as you can see, it's smoothing and blurring my pores, which we want that, because what are pores? Never heard of them. To finish up my face really fast, I just take a big powder brush and I apply it all over my face. Don't forget that after you use your powder, you should close the tap properly in order to maintain the cooling properties of the powder. Now that we have the face cover, I'm gonna zoom you guys into my eyes so we can see what look we're gonna do. As you can see, I added my blush and a little bit of my contour on my eyes just to prep my eyes, because now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Ace Beauty Glimmer eyeshadows that I got in my box for this month. And I got the Huckleberry shade and also the French Vanilla shade. Oh my god. First of all, they feel super amazing. They feel super creamy and they are really pigmented. As you can see, we have Huckleberry and French Vanilla. I'm gonna swatch them right away. French Vanilla is a beautiful silver. It's really shimmery as well, and it has a little bit of sparkles. And Huckleberry is a beautiful deep purple that also have a little bit of gold sparkles on it. These are beautiful, so I need to apply them right away on my eyes. These shadows, they have a really creamy texture, so I like to apply creamy shadows with my finger first to warm up my skin. And then I'm just gonna apply it in the middle of my eye to create a beautiful smoky out purple look. And also they are cruelty free and gluten free. So after I apply the shade in my eye, I want to blend it out a little bit, so I'm gonna take a tiny blending brush and just go over the edge to blend it out and unify the look a little bit more. Now to continue, I'm gonna take the shade French Vanilla and I'm gonna take a pointy tiny brush and take a little bit with the brush. And I'm gonna apply this in the under eye, starting with my inner corner. That is beautiful! Oh my god! That is so pigmented. So this color, I'm just gonna bring it back all the way and connect it with the other purple at the end. And now I just repeat the same in my other eye. Now to blend it out, I just take a blending brush and I use a little bit of the Huckleberry shade once again and the outer corner of my eye just to blend out the two colors a little bit. Okay, Charmers, so as you can see, I added a little bit of French vanilla on under my brows just to highlight a little bit because I'm obsessed with the color, honestly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my big Ego Mascara from Tarte Cosmetics. This is a ultra black flake-free mascara that it's also vegan and that it's meant to boost your lashes and your confidence. What else you want? So the formula of this mascara includes Babasu plant that it works really good to nourish and condition your lashes. And as you can see, as I apply it, it just like elongates them right away. It doesn't make them clumpy, but it creates a curl on the mascara, which helps really good. Okay, Charmers, so now that I finished my eye look, I'm gonna go apply my lashes and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now that I finished my face, I'm gonna go ahead with my lips. And for this, I'm gonna use the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Uptown. And the good thing about these lip liners is that they're long lasting and they're waterproof. So let's go, let's apply this. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a lip gloss and finish this look. As you can see, now that I apply a nude lip gloss on top, I can actually see the true color of the Steve Laurent lip liner that I'm obsessed with. This one in the color Uptown, it's actually really, really cute and buildable. I did a bigger under lip, which is usually my technique that I like to do. And as you can see, after I underlined my bottom lip with the Steve Laurent lip liner, I love the glossy ombre effect that it gave me. And all I did was add a little bit of a nude gloss on top, which is the perfect companion to this beautiful lip liner. Okay, Charmers, so that's it. This is the final look right now that I did using all of the products that I got on my August box. I'm obsessed with all of this. As you can see, this is a very beautiful but glam look that you can wear for a night out on the town. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when we post videos, because we do this a lot and we love when y'all comment in our videos. So please do that. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget about it. And that's it, Charmer. Bye. See you in the next one.